Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. It's been a while since I did a wine review, but we're going to go ahead and do one. We're taking a look at the French Slick Pretty in Pink. It is a local winery. It's right, I forget, Baden Springs, Indiana. I don't like red wine, and I'm trying to find a red wine I like, so I figured pink is kind of in the middle of a red and white wine. American Cata Ba, how do you pronounce it, table wine. Best served with friends and family. Served slightly chilled. Dottie Family Winery, West Baden Springs, USA. Now this is a little higher price. It is $12, but I didn't think that was too bad. It seems like a lot of your local wines are more expensive than some of your big name wines, which is understandable because they actually take more love and care putting theirs into the wine. Hey, they have a little pool tap for you. Imagine that. You know. Now, I did have this in the refrigerator for a couple of days. Actually, it's probably been a week now I think about it. There we go. Oh, there we go. That smells really nice. Now I'm pouring this and I'm thinking it really doesn't look pink to me. More of a apple juice color. Let's call it an apple juice color. It really don't look pink. But that has a real nice, pleasant aroma. Not perfumey, not overly sweet. I gotta be honest, I'm kind of actually looking forward to trying this. Let's go ahead and give it a little taste. Wow. Wow. That is actually really good. It's a perfect combination. Not sweet, not perfumey. I'm really impressed, especially for a local winery. I've been to other local wineries, not in Indiana, but other, I ain't gonna mention their names, don't want them to get mad. But nothing this good. This is really, wow. That is, that's a 5-star right there. Usually I can find something negative about the wines I try, but for the price, as good as this is, it's well worth the price. I mean, if you have it in your area, don't hesitate to pick it up. It's a definite go out, get it now. I'll try to have a link below for them. Maybe you can get it online. But that is really impressive. Yeah, I wish I could give it more than a 5-star, but a 5 out of 5 is the best I can do. Okay, definitely go give this a try. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.